Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of LG monitor 24MK600. I got this box from the Amazon in just rupees 10,000 and I'm going to show you all the components in detail in this video. This is the HDMI cable which we get inside the box along with the manual where we can read and install our LCD monitor. This is the base of the stand which we are going to use to hold up our monitor screen. This is the power cord which we are going to use to power up our monitor. This is the stand which we are going to use to hold up our monitor screen. Now below that, we have LCD screen present which is currently packed. Now I'm going to unpack all the components. So after unpacking the components, this is how it looks. Now this is how it looks when I apply stand to my LCD monitor screen. Now going to the back of the LCD screen, you can see that we have 5 ports available. One port for standard input power, the next is for audio cable, and 2 for HDMI cables, and the last for D-sub-1 port. Now once I finished the setup, I connected my laptop to the screen. This is how it looks.